Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Klaiyi Hair. Everything about this unit will be in my description box below. So let's get started. So this is the Ombre Chestnut Brown color that they do have. So she is a 7x5 wig. You can definitely part her any type of way. So that is what she is giving inside of the unit. She does come with that drawstring for that extra security. So this is perfect for my small hair girlies that need that extra grip on their head, because sometimes these wigs be slipping off, babe. The texture is a Yaki straight unit. I definitely feel like this color and texture is perfect for the fall season and cooler months. This texture is so beautiful and it's really soft. I truly appreciate a nice Yaki straight unit. Right now, I'm trying to figure out if I wanted to leave her straight or I wanted to curl her. Right now, I am using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Again, y'all, this was literally straight out the pack. So before I even put makeup on, that is what she was giving. This is definitely a put on and go unit. So I decided to give myself wand curls. You can definitely curl her up to 450 degrees. And I just wanted to see how good she held a curl. Make sure you are getting a good holding spray and also some pins slash clips. Like once I kind of put my makeup and my outfit on, it fell, because of course I had to get ready. I feel like if I would have had them pinned up while I was going through the whole process of getting ready, these curls would have definitely sat still. So pro tip for my girlies that's just starting out curling their hair. The fact that this hair was not melted down with glue or adhesive was definitely a plus for me. Like I said, this wig is a good put on and go, look, pull on and go type of unit, because I definitely use that drawstring. While I'm editing this, I'm loving at how juicy these curls is. Like, don't sleep on the wand curlers, because I really thought that I was going to use actual curlers, like barrel curlers versus the wand curlers. I just love the waviness it gave to my hair in the end. Even though what I'm doing by adding this holding spray is very pointless, because like I told y'all, my hair fell once I got ready with makeup. Like I said, get pins, get holding spray. Get pins, get holding spray. Holding spray, get pins. Baby, whichever order, get them. Overall, how I am feeling about this unit from Klaiyi Hair. Pros off the back, the color, the texture is beginner friendly. The texture is what really sold me though, y'all. Even with it being a Yaki straight texture, the way the curls held up was so beautiful. It's very versatile for it to be a 7x5. Like I said, you can do a middle part, you can do a side part, or you can do a deep side part. It comes pre-plucked. So like I said, she is beginner friendly. In total, if you had to go on the site and purchase her, she is $194.24. She did not tangle up on me, and the shedding was to a minimum. I really love the soft waves that this hair achieved. So if you would like to pick her up, make sure you guys are reading my description box below. There you will find the product link. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel and once again trusting my opinions, my thoughts about certain units for you guys to check out for the fall. I'd like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.